everyone, welcome back to another Ballet Forte tutorials. I'm Jelena and today we have something special. I'm going to do a short ballet choreography. It's been a long time since I've done one and I think it was a long overdue, this one. Now if you're ready, let's get to it. We are going to begin in a long fourth position, left leg as a supporting leg, left arm on top of your right arm. We are going to begin by doing breathing up and down and forward and by your side, right? One more time. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, forward 5 and 6, 7 and 8. What I want you to really feel is how you go up and look at your fingers, open and down and forward, a little bit of an inclination of your torso and by your side back in. Perfect. Next we are going to do tendu 1, fifth position, cross it, right leg in front and ballet would open and repeat to your left and 1, fifth position up, ballet would and open. We are going to walk 1, 2, 3. Yep, let's do it one more time. Left arm on top, and we are going to do badminton the arm fast. A straight line between your fingers. Cross it, lifting, elongating up. Ballet would open your arms and repeat. Demi-plie. And squeeze really tall. Ballet would. And we're going to walk forward, right, left, right. We're going to do passe and lower, passe and lower, passe, fourth position, releve, plie, pirouette, finish behind you and stay. So we are walking on fast, right, left, right, really small. You're gonna bring almost through a first position heel, first position change, first position change. We're going to do passe, same leg, same arm. Brava, first, open, brava, first, open, both together. Fourth position, releve, body weight forward. Demi-plie, one simple pirouette. That finish behind you. Perfect. Now to finish our choreography, we are going to step pique arabesque. This pique can be flat or can be to your releve. Next, we are going to step back. So we're going to bring right leg supporting leg, plie, pique, left leg in front, right leg behind. We're going to face back. Step on your left leg. Bring your right leg forward and turn around. Yeah, so grand fouette and tournant. How to do that step? Left leg in front, plie step, bring arms down, first position, forward together and turn plie. Yes? So let's do it one more time. Pique arabesque, chasse, pique fouette, and we are going to step 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. A step and a step and reverence. Awesome! If you need to pause the video, go back and review everything slowly in your own rhythm, your own pace, your own tempo. Do so. Otherwise, we're gonna do it all together with music. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I can't wait to see you in my next video, which is going to be tomorrow. See ya!